So I have 2 pieces of skin on salmon. You can get these at any of your local grocery stores.
Okay, I see that you've scored them.
Yep, I score the top of the salmon. That allows for a little extra crispiness to come in.
Okay.
You get a little more surface area. So I'm now just taking a little bit of paprika and cumin and salt and pepper, and I put that on the skin side. Put them in your pan, skin side down. Hear a little sizzle. I like to hold them for just a tiny, tiny bit. And that will make sure that the skin doesn't curl up and you get a nice super crispy skin.
And you're a pediatric nephrologist.
Correct. So I treat children from 0 all the way to 21, and we talk about issues regarding kidney health.
So a healthy diet and teaching your patients how to incorporate healthy foods
Paramount.
into their diet is
So
extremely
important.
essential. Kidney beans are high in fiber, like you were saying.
So we talk about that being a great source because some of our families are vegetarian, sometimes our parents are vegan, and it's just a nice source of protein without having to worry about it coming from an animal.